Back to the old JJ, nothing on the top water. Back to the JJ. First cast with the JJ. Bird's working about 500 meters up ahead of me, but just past this dirty water, you never know. JJ minnow, about the 5th cast, 6th cast. Goodness for that. Is JJ minnow, strikes again. Let's get him off. Get another one. He's back. Hooray, that stopped the blank anyway. Thank goodness for that. Waded in the water now to cool off. I've got past that silt in the water. I'm casting out to clear water. Still only that one little schoolie. You never know. Birds are busting, birds are busting. Just here. Birds are busting. See what we can get. Boats come in. I can get a cast out there. Right, bait's in the lure, in the water. There's fish there, here we go. Come on. Fish on. Oh, nice fish. Yes. Birds are in. Follow the birds, they say. Let's see what he is, how big he is. Right in him. Through the weed. There you go, that's a nice, that was worth waiting for. Let's get him unhooked, get another one. Oh, he's only just hooked there. Go, there's a cracker. That's worth waiting for the birds. Let's get in and get another one. Quick, quick. We have only moments. The birds are still here. They're just down here, look. I'll cast out here. We might be lucky again. Hopefully they'll come back up again. Yep, fish on. Oh, this is what we waited for all day. Nice fish again. He's on the top. Got rid of him in quick. Get another one. There he is, same size. There you go, corker. Get him unhooked. Let's just flick him in. Yeah, let's get another one. Get that lure out there. They're in close. They're further out now. Oh, had a hit then. Get that lure out there. Don't know where they've gone now, the birds have gone quiet. Well, that got the adrenaline going. Where they've gone now, they're pushed off. Hit. Oh, was a hit. Good cast. Right. Birds are still here, so the bass are still here. Fish on. Yes. Not as big this one. Doesn't matter. Let's get him in, get him off. Get another one. Just a smallie, this is just a schoolie. Let's get him off. Hey! Hold still, little fella. There he is. Let's get him back. Get his big brother. It's out there. Let's see, we've got fish. Yep, fish on. Fish on. Only a little one again, but there's a big one in there somewhere. He's woken up a bit now. Good old JJ minnow. There you go. Get him unhooked. Get another one. Pop the JJ out, there he is. Let's get back out there. That's 4 or 5 now, remember. How many oh, fish on? There's hundreds of them. Come on, little bassy. Back in there. Okay, we want a big one again. I reckon the bait's all got blown in this corner. The lure is out. The lure is out. Birds are going to kick off again in a minute, I think. They're getting ready. They're getting ready. Oh, we didn't get one that time. That's a better fish. We got a better one. They're hanging around this spot. Hasn't woken up yet. There he is. Biggest one of the day. There we go. Let's get him back and get another one. And another one. There you go. I don't know what that is, but another one. Followed it right in, this one did. Over the weed. Good fun. That's number 9, I think. There he is. Cleanly hooked, the old JJ minnow. Pop him off. There you go. What a beauty.